Greetings, y'all. This is Angela from Hook Yarns Plus, and today we're going to crochet a simple stress ball. Materials include yarn, 3.25 millimeter hook, a yarn needle, and scissors, and polyfill. This project is worked in the round. You start with a magic ring and then make 7 single crochet stitches. Now add your stitch marker. Okay, on the second round, I'm going to increase in each stitch. So you should have 14 at the end of this round. Okay, on the third round, you're going to make a single crochet in the first stitch and then increase. And you're going to repeat this pattern throughout the round. Be a single crochet, increase, single crochet, increase. And just keep going to the end of the round. So at the end of the third round, you should have 21 stitches. This is the fourth round. I'm going to crochet, make it 2 single crochet in the first 2 stitches right there. Then we're going to increase in the third stitch. And so the pattern for this round will be single crochet, increase. Just keep going, single crochet, increase. And just continue this until the end of the round. Starting the 5th round, in the first 3 stitches, you're going to make a single crochet in each one. 1, 2, 3, and in the 4th one you're going to increase. Then single crochet, and another one, and then in the next one you're going to increase. So you'll make 3 single crochet and then increase. And keep doing that until the end of the round. Starting with round 6 and continuing through round 14, you'll be crocheting a single crochet in each stitch, and you'll repeat that for 9 rounds. Right now we're going to start decreasing. So we're going to do 3 single crochet in the first 3 stitches and then do an invisible decrease. Or you can do a regular one, but I like to do invisible decrease. And do 3 single crochet, do an invisible decrease, and just like previous rounds, we're just going to repeat this pattern: 3 single crochet and an invisible decrease till we make it to the end of this round. For this next round, you'll crochet a single crochet in each stitch. Start adding your stuffing. I'm using polyfill, but you could use scrap yarn if you want to, but I just tend to use this. Round 17, going to be doing some decreases. So in the first 2 stitches, you're going to make a single crochet in those first 2, and then do an invisible decrease. Just keep repeating that pattern till you reach the end of this round. All right, we're going to crochet, single crochet in each stitch in this next round. Continue to add your stuffing as you go. Now we're going to single crochet, decrease, single crochet, and decrease. And this is a invisible decrease. And just continue this to the end of this round. And we only have 2 more rounds to go. Just going to single crochet in each stitch. Round 21, our final round, you'll be doing decreases or invisible decreases for this round, whichever type you prefer. The last one giving me trouble. There. So now finish stuffing it and leave a tail so you can sew it closed. This yarn is like a little thicker. So they're not the same size. But here's a stress ball. You can make it in different colors. You can actually make these into little bowl fillers. These also make great hacky sacks or foot bags if you played that game. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and I appreciate you watching. Thank you.